Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of this item in this package right here. I purchased this on a whim off of Coach's website. They had this crazy discounted sale, not on both items, just on one, and the other item I had already had it in my cart because I was debating if I was going to get it or not. And so since this first item was on sale, I opted to get the second item. So let me go ahead and get right into this unboxing. Alright, so here first item. Okay, and I actually don't see the second item. I didn't realize it was coming in two separate packages. Okay, so we'll just do this item in this packaging right here. And this, what is this? This is the, is there a name on this? No. Okay, so I'm going to have to look at the receipt to see what this is. The Julie cosmetic case, I think it is. Look, isn't this gorgeous? Let me get the receipt. I put it on the floor. This is called the, it doesn't say on the receipt, I think it's the Julie cosmetic case in the size 17, and this is in the color candy pink. I will have to put the correct name of this if I don't have it correct on the screen so that you can all see. It says that it's in a candy pink color. I do already currently have another Coach pink cosmetic case. I thought I had it sitting up here, but I don't see it. Alright you guys, for a quick comparison, this is the first Coach makeup case that I have. And I forget what color this is in, but this has like a purple undertone to it. But you can see how they differ in color. It's stuffed. It's a very pretty color. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, but that's okay. It's brown on the inside, a wipeable material. It's yeah, it's wipeable. It's not leather. Just like a little coated canvas. Has a slip pocket on this side, slip pocket on this side. It's very cute. It has a dome-like shape to it. Zipper, nice and smooth. And the reason I bought this was on sale for $24, originally from, I don't remember, I think it was like $38 originally, and it went on sale for $24. And so I bought this to go in this bag, which I'm actually getting ready to pack. I'm headed out on a trip tomorrow, and I'm taking this with me, so I bought this to go in here. Not the same colors, but it'll go because it complements this bag. But I thought it was really pretty. On the website, this looks a little bit darker, but that is why I bought this little cutie. Alright, so here is the cosmetic case close to my little Nolita 15. You can see the difference. This still has more of a peach type of look. This still has a darker hue to it. Alright, so that is it for this unboxing. Really quick, not going to do like a what's fits. But if you have any questions on this item, I will link it in the description down below. It was out of stock right after I bought it because they only had like 7 left when I found this one here. But if it pops back up, definitely save it in your favorite so that you can be aware if this pops back up. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.